Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all are fit and fine. Yesterday in EVS class, what we learned, children? Can you tell me? Types of plants. Yes. Today we will learn about types of plants. Page number 32. Page number 32. Open your awareness scale book. Page number 32. Okay. Types of plants. Types of plants. Big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. The first one tree name is banyan tree. Banyan tree. Then second one tree name is mango tree. Mango tree. Then third one tree name is neem tree. Neem tree. Then fourth one coconut tree. Coconut tree. See children, types of plants. ಗಿಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಧಗಳು. ಯಾವ ವಿಧಗಳು? Big and tall plants are called trees. ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುವಂತಹ ಗಿಡಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತಹ ಗಿಡಗಳಿಗೆ ಮರಗಳು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮರಗಳು. ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮರ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟ್ರೀ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಬನ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ಬನ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲದ ಮರ. ಓಕೆ. Then second one mango tree. Mango tree. Then third one neem tree. Neem tree means ಬೇವಿನ ಮರ. Then last one coconut tree. Last one coconut tree. Coconut means ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ. Mango means ಮಾವಿನ ಮರ. ಓಕೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಟ್ರೀ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಾವಿನ ಮರ. ಬನ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೀ, ನೀಮ್ ಟ್ರೀ, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಟ್ರೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ coconut tree. Okay. These are trees. Yes. These are types of trees. Okay. So children will spell the spelling and we read the words. Okay. The first one banyan tree. So spell the spelling BANYANTREE. Tree. Banyan tree. I will repeat once again. BANYANTREE. Tree. Banyan tree. Okay. The second one tree name is mango tree. So spell the spelling MANGO mango TREE. Tree. Mango tree. MANGO TREE. Tree. Mango tree. Okay. Then third one neem tree. Third one neem tree. NEEMTREE. Tree. Neem tree. Then fourth one coconut tree. COCONUTTREE. Tree. Coconut tree. COCONUT. Coconut. TREE. Tree. I will repeat once again. COCONUT. Coconut. TREE. Coconut tree. This step you have to practice it. Okay. So turn the page. Page number 34. Page number 34. See children, things we get from trees. Things we get from trees. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮರದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, things we get from trees. Which are those? The first one, vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits. ತರಕಾರಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳು. Then pulses. Pulses means ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳು. Wheat, rice. Okay. Then third one, flowers. Okay. Then third one, flowers. Yes. Flowers we get from trees or plant. Yes. Then fourth one, gum. Okay. Gum. Then fifth one, spices. Spices. Spices means what children? ಮಸಾಲೆ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು. ನೀಮ್, ಓಕೆ, ಜಿಂಜರ್, ಗಾರ್ಲಿಕ್, ಮಿಂಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್. ಸೊ these are spices. Spices means ಮಸಾಲೆ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು. ಶುಂಠಿ, ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ, ಪುದೀನ, ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ, etc. Okay, these are spices. Then sixth one is wood. Wood. Okay, wood means furnitures. Okay, we get wood from trees. Okay, we get wood from trees. The next one, medicinal leaves. Medicinal leaves. Okay, medicinal leaves means ಏನಂತ, ಔಷಧಿ ಗುಣ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನಲ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, I will repeat once again children. The first one, vegetables and fruits. The second one, pulses. The third one, flowers. The fourth one, gum. The fifth one, spices. The sixth one, wood. And the seventh one, medicinal leaves. Okay, this step you have to practice it. Okay, I will repeat once again children. See, things we get from trees. Things we get from trees. We get vegetables and fruits from trees. Okay, we get vegetables and fruits from trees. The second one, we get different types of pulses from trees. Okay, then third one, we get flowers from trees. Then fourth one, we get gum from trees. Okay, then fifth one, we get spices from trees. Then sixth one, we get wood from trees. Then sixth one, we get medicinal leaves from trees. Medicinal leaves means ಔಷಧಿ ಗುಣವುಳ್ಳ ಎಲೆಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ we get all the things from trees. Yes, we get all the things from trees. The first one is vegetables and fruits, pulses, flowers, gum, spices, wood, medicinal leaves. Okay, this step you have to practice it. Okay,